I was tired. Oh my God. I think I only slept 2 hours. So I'm not driving. And it was about, we left at 5. We left Route 66 around 5 a.m. in the morning, and it is almost 11. So I slept for about 4 hours in the car. Look at my eyes. They're just woke up. We're about to head to the Big Texan. And we are gonna have lunch. But that's the home of the 72-ounce steak. And I'm hungry. But I don't think I'm gonna do the 72-ounce steak. Okay, so we just arrived here at the Big Texan. This will be our first time trying it out. As you can see, we stood here and took pictures in the parking lot for a while. And this is home of the 72-ounce steak. Here's some pictures of the parking lot. Free 72-ounce steak dinner if eaten in 1 hour. We got a little motel next to the Big Texan, and it's smell the steak. They have a gift shop.
Like at work, he doesn't work.
You wanna go ahead and get a table? Let me go around the gift shop real quick. Some walking sticks. Here's the gift shop.
Yes, I'm here now. I'm here enjoying.
You're enjoying the store?
Funny.
Look, baby.
Yeah. Why is that funny?
I'll have to come back inside here and do a little shopping before we leave, but I think we're gonna have lunch first.
Go away.
Are you guys getting anything? Or are you guys ready to go get a table?
Ready to go get one.
Okay, let's go get a table. I was just doing a quick video of the gift shop.
Get her done.
That's real. That's real. That's
Oh,
the
good
meal you have to
Lord.
eat.
Oh, okay, there you go. The world's famous 72-ounce steak. Free if you can eat it. What? In 1 hour.
No, 4 minutes.
Oh, I thought you had 1 hour to eat it.
The first meal.
First prize, whatever.
Oh, wow. She got it in there, huh?
Oh God, she ate it
Look
for
at that.
8 minutes.
Look at the old school slot machine. How do they even have a little shooting gallery right here?
That's crazy. Look at that.
I know, that thing's huge. Oh, they got a shooting gallery right here. Hey, who has change? Oh, I think I got change. 25 shots for $1. 25 shots for $1. 25 shots for $1. That was 25. All right, that's it. I'm not gonna do that a second time. Oh, they got some old school slot machines too. Hey, these still take coins. I'm gonna have to play some of these. Get my gamble on with some. Yeah, look at it. All right, let's see which one. This one? Okay, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. What happened?
I think it's only for this
tokens are
one.
extended play. No cash value. Maximum count is any jackpot is 100 tokens. State law. So this slot machine is for amusement only. Tokens are for extended play. But look, you can't even put the tokens in there. It just comes right out. Can't play them. Oh, there we go. We got a winner. Let's go. Two-headed calf. Oh, you have to pay. You have to pay to be able to see it. That's what it is. Look at this one. For a good time, open the door. $1. Even this one. No, you know what? Actually, we'll do it. Let's. I gotta get done. Oh, you know what? I have my wallet. Here, take my wallet. Oh, here, hold this. Hold this, baby. Yeah, hold it. Yeah. Just videotape it. I'll do each one. What is it? $1? For a good time, open the door.
You gotta put the money in first.
It's $1. See what happens. Okay. Wait, over this one? Oh, there you go. Two-headed calf.
Are they? Oh yeah, they're real.
They're real.
Oh, look at this.
Certificate of.
Go ahead, stop it, man. Or get the skull on the bottom, and then stop it and then take pictures. Okay, there you go. For a good time, open the door.
Yeah, boy, Dub, here I am in my nice little place here. Yeah, looks like a little office. Got 3 seats, that's it. 3 seats. Yeah, I got a big one, middle-sized one, and just for the small size. But I'm using this big one in here. The time I get in here and people wanting to come in here on me, I'll be done in just a minute. Just hang on to your clothes. Just keep everything up, okay?
Ready? All right. So here we go.
Gas chamber?
Old Sparky. Don't mess with Texas.
All I did was shoplift from the Big Texan gift shop. I just wanted a fair trial. I didn't get no trial. They just... I think my biscuits are a-burning. Say, can I get a cowboy hat instead? This ain't my style!
See, he stole from the Big Texan.
Now watch this picture. Look.
The Big Texan. All right. All right, what is this? Palace. All right, so right across from here, did her face change? Oh.
I'm sorry. She choked me. You can't go out here. Oh, you can go out here. Jane?
Oh, you don't see her and then she appears.
Yeah, once you walk by it and you look back at the picture, it changes the face. Hey, this one here and here. Big Texan Brewery.
Oh, what is this, like an old school bar?
Mm-hmm. Saloon. Bar. In a barn. Kick out on the table out there. See that out there?
Old school, look at that, old school weight scale. Oh, this is just another seating area when it gets full. You can come and eat outside. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go eat.
You want to take a picture of the bathroom?
Yeah, there's the restrooms.
There's a men's
Oh, there's more pictures all the way down there. I don't want to catch you coming out of the bathroom.
And real ice cream too.
Okay, where do we go? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Alright. I won't get anybody. What you knew?
Nah. Look at all the deer. Not
I
much
know.
today.
Look at this. And that's the countdown. Thank you.
You want to set? You can set across from.
Yeah. Well, I'll go up too. I'll go up on the second store. right, let me get to
How are y'all
video.
today?
Hello, very good. You?
Good, I'm great. I'm Mercedes. I'm going to be helping y'all. Have y'all been here before?
First time,
first
first
time.
timers.
Okay, awesome. I'll
That's
tell
right.
y'all a little bit about our menu.
Okay.
At the moment, we have lunch specials going on. They're over here on the side.
Okay.
The burgers and sandwiches will come with one side. If you get a steak, a prime rib, chicken fries, something like that, it'll come with two. Your sides are going to be right above your lunch specials. If you have a little bit of a bigger appetite, our bigger steaks and bigger servings and stuff are going to be at the middle.
Okay.
And if y'all have any questions about it, just let me know. Okay.
Certainly will.
And
So you said that the lunch special comes with one side.
the burgers and sandwiches come with one, and then like the steaks and chicken fries and stuff like that will come with two.
Like if you got the ribeye here, then it comes with two.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Oh,
Can I start y'all with something to drink?
I want a beer.
A beer.
So let me see. Oh, you guys got like a holy cow tower.
It's a
huh?
brewery. Yeah. Okay.
I can only do a tower if 3 people are drinking it. It's big? Yes.
Okay, I'll
Very
do it.
Why, how big is the tower? Isn't that like the yard house?
It's about this tall.
Okay, all three of us will drink it.
Yeah, all three of them will drink it. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna do the
I won't do my wine.
yeah, I'll do the honey blonde. Oh, I know what the tower is. Never mind. The tower is the actual. It's like
The mimosa.
yes.
it's like Korean barbecue.
Yes.
It's the actual tower.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, and it's got a little spout.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
why.
Just do the picture.
Yeah, we'll do the picture. The son of a gun. There you go. That's what we'll do. And we'll do the honey blonde lager.
Here you go, honey. There's these. I haven't. I didn't want to tell you wrong. I haven't
Oh, okay.
memorized all of them yet.
I already know.
Unless
I'll
you
do the
want-
Behringer.
Okay,
Yeah.
the Behringer?
Yeah,
Unless you
right
want
off the bat.
babe, unless you want like Merlot or something.
That's white Zin, the Behringer.
Okay. So we'll do a picture of the honey blonde.
So you didn't want the bottle of the wine Behringer? Okay, and I just want the glass of, it's the Zinfandel, correct? Behringer.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that was fine.
Okay.
Everything's big in Texas.
What did we got? We got the picture, the son of a gun. Is that what it's called? Yep, it's called the son of a gun, 60 ounce. What you get? White Zin.
I like the blue.
Yep, it's really good.
So for
Right here, Mom.
They didn't have,
I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna video.
I tasted his and it's like, oh my goodness.
First timers, California.
It's your first time?
First time. My brother told me he lives out here. He lives in Oklahoma,
What
and he
part?
said you got a Norman.
I'm from Lawton, Oklahoma.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's not too far from Norman.
Okay. Yeah, he's been. We're casino hopping, so
Oh, yeah?
we're headed up to WINSTAR.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we just came from Route 66,
Right.
and then I think Twin Arrows, something like that. But we're gonna hit WINSTAR, Choctaw, and Inn of the Mountain Gods.
Mountain Gods.
Yeah, we've never been to any of them. So, you been to them?
You're going to enjoy it.
Inn of the Mountain Gods?
Yeah.
That's what everybody tells me. They say it's off the hook.
Yeah. You're going to enjoy that.
Zip line, fishing too, right?
Yeah.
That's
All
got
that.
the best of everything. If you like casino and gambling,
Yeah.
right?
Like fishing, like spontaneous stuff, like zip line and stuff.
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
where it's at.
Yeah. So what kind of fishing is it? Is it like just trout fishing?
Trout fishing, bass fishing,
Catfish?
catfish. Yeah, it's pretty wide open out there, bro.
Nice.
Just right off the Lake Texan River.
Okay.
So yeah, you right there. You got some of everything over there.
Nice.
Hey, show him a 72 piece so we can get that on the She gonna show you
72 ounce. Is that the one? Well, it says on the sign you eat it in 1 hour.
If you eat it in 1 hour, it's free.
1 hour?
Yeah.
So I seen that sign where it was. That's a monster.
It's all there, believe me.
Oh my god. So it showed in the front where it had pictures and somebody eating it like in 4 minutes and 7 minutes.
That was
That's
Molly.
true?
She ate 3 of them in 20 minutes. full meals, 20 minutes.
So in order to get it free, it's gotta be the entire meal, not
Right.
just the meat.
The entire meal.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So do they get to pick the entire meal, or like it comes with
It
potato?
It comes with baked potato, roll, shrimp cocktail, and salad. But if you have some type of allergic reaction or something like that, or you just isn't good with salad or anything, you can sub out the sides of it.
Got you. Wow, that's a monster. And her name was Molly?
Molly. It's out there on that poster board, bro.
Is she the only one that's done it? It's
been several people do it, but she the only one that's done 3 of them in that amount of time, 20 minutes.
And female too. You would think like a big trucker or lumberjack.
George Chestnut came through here. He ate it in like 8 minutes or something.
Yeah.
He broke the record of the baseball player that did it. There was a baseball player that did it. I think it was like in 12 minutes or so, like that. From the Phillies.
Yeah.
But shoot, Molly came in and crushed it, bro. That was her second time doing it. She ate 2 the first time she came. And she just popped up on us in that one morning. She ate 2 of them in like 7 minutes or so, like that.
Just a regular gal, right? Not a what do they call them? Competitive eaters and stuff like that.
No,
you know,
we didn't know at the time she was a competitive eater.
Oh, she is.
Yeah, she is. You know, she was.
Like those guys who do the hot dogs.
Even a competitive eater have a time with it.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Although Joey ate it in like 8 minutes or something, he couldn't have did another one.
And she did 3 in 20 minutes?
She did 3.
That's crazy.
She did 3.
That's crazy.
She didn't use no utensils or nothing. She just went at it, dude, like a tiger.
She ordered her rare.
I'm the one cooked them.
And I'm the one that served her.
Oh my God.
She looked like an anaconda zone.
Yeah, it was.
That's what it looked like.
It was
You
just
can actually
crazy.
see the meat going down her throat.
Oh my God.
It's on, you can look it up. You can see it. Go to Big Texan.
It was videotaped? The entire thing was videotaped?
Anytime you up here, it's video. Right now, you're live. Right now. And you do come in here.
Well, see, that's what I do. I go around. Mostly, I do it with like toy hunting and casino hopping, and I do games. But I post all my stuff to YouTube. So that's why I didn't ask you guys, but I wasn't recording anybody because some people don't want to be on or anything like that.
When we start working here, we sign a contract. We record it as soon as we walk in the building.
Oh, really?
We got cameras all up here.
Nice.
We record as soon as we come in.
Nice. That's why in the front of the sign it says 24-hour camera recording surveillance. All right.
You can watch all of them on video. Or at least you check the 2 of them.
Yeah, that's what you were saying. I'm gonna check that out.
I'm the one that did the, I'm the one that introduced
She has a drip. But you know what? Before she was 8 to 72, she ate a 9-egg omelet, a half a pan of enchiladas, 2 plates of French toast, and pancakes. Before she ate the 72.
That's wild.
She ate it. She had a carrot cake, a chocolate cake, a strawberry shortcake, and a milkshake.
Then as she got through eating all that, then she just walked around eating strawberries.
That's wild. That's
125 pounds.
Now that goes to true saying. Where did she put it all?
I tell you what I told her she had 4 kids. I told her she went home and regurgitated all that food.
That was shopping for the month. Oh my God.
She got baby, she like a bird, regurgitated for the kids.
Oh my God.
That's the only thing I can say she put in.
That's wild. 125-pound female. Like I was saying, I thought it'd be like some big truck driving lumberjack firefighter. You know what I mean?
One big trucker, he came in, he ate it in 30 minutes and plus a chocolate cake.
But no one's held the candle to Molly, huh?
Nobody can hold the candle to Molly.
Oh, good Lord.
Nobody.
She still come in every now and again, or
She
what?
come in and visit, but she can't eat alone. She can't. She signed a contract, she can't do it alone.
Yeah. Why would she? That probably did some damage right there.
Yeah.
So. All right, guys. Thanks for the stories. That's crazy as well. Thank you so much.
You come back through then.
Oh, absolutely. Like I said, it was our first time. My brother, he's a truck driver, and he said you have to do 2 things before you come out. And we make it to his house. He said stop at the Big Texan and have a steak. Don't miss it. And do the Cadillac Graveyard. So we're doing one of the 2 right now.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, guys. Thank you. What's up, guys? We're back, and we got our salad and the bread, and I ordered a 9-ounce ribeye, and my wife ordered the prime rib, and Mom, what did you order? Soup and salad, and what else? And the ribeye too. And so I went up, and I was talking to the individuals. I didn't even wash my hands yet. I was talking to the individuals. No, I went to record. Anyways, I went up, and they were telling me the story of the lady. 125 pounds by the name of Molly. 125 pounds. That's how she was just, you know. Anyways, she did that steak that you've seen. It's on the video. I recorded it. But anyways, she ate an omelet, pancakes, and she ate it like a full breakfast, right? Then turned around and ate three of those 72-ounce steaks in 20 minutes. Three of them. They watched it. They all have it on video. You can watch it. He said that she didn't even use utensils or anything. She just went at it, grabbed it, and started eating it. Because you have to not only eat the meat, but you have to eat the entire meal. So it comes from like a salad and a potato and a roll in the bread and stuff like that. That's wild. That's crazy.
Well, I think I can eat. I can't eat that. I can eat.
No, nobody's. That's what he said. There's been some big guys who have did the challenge and they finished it, but nobody's did her. She's did 3 in 20 minutes. There's a guy who did 1 and ate like a chocolate cake in 8 minutes, something like that. But nobody. And then later that they found out that she was a competitive eater. You know, those guys that train and all that kind of stuff. And so she can come in and visit and talk to everybody. But once she did it, she had to sign a contract saying that she couldn't do it anymore. It's a wrap. The other thing about it is, I asked them, because the whole time I was talking, some people, they don't like to be recorded, so I didn't record them, but I was facing the grill, and so we were talking, and that's where they're telling me the stories. And towards the end, after we did all that, and I didn't record them, I said, just letting you know, I record this, and I posted to YouTube and stuff like that. So, but I didn't show your faces. Some people, don't want to be shown on camera, and they're like, no, that's fine with us. Which I could have recorded them the whole time, because this place, once you walk into the premises, once you walk through that front door, you're recorded. It tells you, and I thought it was just surveillance cameras that everybody posts a sign in the front, right, saying that they're surveillance cameras for security reasons, right? Well, here, it's 24 hours recording whether anything happens, so that way they can, use the footage or whatever inside, not just around the premises, but inside. Anything that you're doing, you're on camera. You're being recorded. All right, man, I just had enough time. I haven't even ate my salad. My steak came out.
You're playing around.
The prime rib. See? The prime rib, medium rare ordered. And she said it is excellent. Actually, I tasted it, and that is really good.
These rolls, she said, was the best rolls she ever ate.
Are they?
Really good.
Oh my God! See. All right, I gotta dig in.
But you have to eat that roll
Well,
with it, Jay.
I know that we will eat it.
What?
Mine. She was just watching.
Oh yeah. No, your sunglasses.
This is a really, really good steak. Here, you gotta try this. Oh my God. That's.
I got mine here. She can try mine too.
Yeah.
You want the fat, right?
How is it? That's good, right? Did these breads come out nice and warm and hot? Oh my God, mine's cold now. It's all right. It's still good. Did you guys want more bread?
No. Well, I was thinking maybe we should take some. If you have any.
That roll is really good.
It is, isn't it?
It's like that's like a sweet roll.
Like a honey roll. You know, she doesn't really eat the bread and stuff. I told her taste this, it's the bomb. And then she ate it, and then she took half of it, and she said, that's the best roll I ever ate. So when you go on there, you're going to say, this is
Excellent. Oh my God.
Glad y'all are enjoying.
Thank you.
they're not really your brothers. Well, they're my cousins. Yeah, they're your cousins. But we were raised together as brothers and sisters. How come they don't come and pick up? I mean, he took it hard. They didn't want it, and so that's why he's just like, he thinks she abandoned him. Even though, you know, she didn't, she had no choice. How you doing up there, Jay? He's very quiet.
You guys are on video. I've been recording this whole time. You just told your whole life story to everybody.
No.
Millions of people. No, I can edit all the sound out. I can just remove them. I'm gonna review it and just take clips of it. I can remove all the audio and just put music, and I can even speed up the video. You guys don't have room for dessert, huh? Oh. She asked twice. If you think about it, this place is huge because up there, it's all tables. It's all dining tables. Oh yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave the tip for our waitress, and then I'm gonna go tip the cook. That was excellent. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. I didn't get you on video before, but I'm gonna get you on video now. And thank you so much. Okay. I'm gonna actually leave you a tip and leave my waitress a tip. That was off the hook. That was some fantastic. Oh, there you Hey, that's why I split it into fives.
Thank you.
Nah, thank you for spending the time to talk to me and tell me the stories. Thank you for the awesome food. My brother wasn't lying. He said it was off the hook and you got to try it. You guys got down. And believe me when I say we're foodies. We go everywhere. We love seafood. Out in Northern California, they got a place called Harris Ranch. I don't know if you've ever heard of Harris Ranch before.
Harris Ranch.
They got some off the hook, big giant steaks and everything. This was one of the best.
Thank you, man.
So
I
thank you guys for what you do. All right.
Look forward to seeing you again.
Okay, yeah. We'll be back.
All right.
Thanks, guys. Guys, if you've already subscribed, don't forget to hit that bell icon because you don't want to miss a thing. And please check out some of these other awesome slot videos that I have added to the channel.